Have you heard the latest buzz about RV shipments? Despite what the mainstream media is telling you, the RV industry is experiencing a remarkable surge that's about to change everything you thought you knew about travel and lifestyle. Let's break down the incredible growth we're seeing right now. In June 2025, RV shipments jumped an impressive 15.9%, with 29,000 units hitting dealer lots. This isn't just a number, though. It's a signal of something bigger that's happening in the RV world. Here are 3 critical insights that you should understand. First, towable RVs are leading the charge. Conventional travel trailers saw a 15.3% increase, showing that more people are discovering the freedom of mobile travel. This isn't just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in how people approach travel and lifestyle. Second, surprisingly, motorhomes are experiencing a significant renaissance. With a 22.4% increase compared to last year, manufacturers are innovating faster than ever. We're seeing more advanced, comfortable, and tech-integrated models that are redefining what's possible in recreation vehicles. Third and most importantly, this growth reflects a deeper change in consumer behavior. People aren't just buying RVs. They're investing in experiences, in flexibility, and a new approach to travel. The RVIA president, Craig Kirby, hit the nail on the head when he talked about RVs bringing joy and adventure to millions of families. So what does this mean for you as a campground owner? Well, the market is evolving, and those who understand these trends will be positioned to make the most of this incredible opportunity. So watch out for the newbies hitting the market, and make sure that your campground is prepared and ready to offer the experience they're looking for. The RV lifestyle isn't just growing, it's transforming. And you're right in the middle of a revolution that's redefining how we think about travel, freedom, and adventure. Be poised to take advantage of that great revolution.